This is limitedresources.us, and this is a demonstration of the credit card payment system that we have here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add this valve, so this particular valve, and we're going to control any type of fluid that we'd like. As you can see, there's a valve inside here that opens and closes. And so we simply connect our connector here to the device. It says 9 volt to 20 volt device. And what we simply do is we will send a pulse to the device. And we notice that it is open. Once it's open, and this is usually placed on a garden hose, behind the shower head of a RV camp shower, anything that you'd like to meter. So the water will start to flow. The time is set to 5 minutes per pulse. And once it expires, the valve will close. And that's it. This is a 1-inch adapter here. So you can buy this online at our store. You buy the base unit, and then you can buy the add-ons for the payment system. That could be found at limitedresources.us. Our contact number is 647-931-1829. That's 647-931-1829 at limitedresources.us. As we can see, that is the motorized version of it.